Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Types of cases. There are two types. Summon can be served in the following ways. Summons can be served in the following ways. 1. To serve the summon is given to the witness in the person. To the witness in person. So this is the best way. That is to serve the summon or to give the summon to the witness in person is the best way. Second, if the witness is not found in the address, then the summon can be given to any male adult member of the family. Third, if the witness is a government employee, then the summon can be served to the head of the institute where witness is working. 4. Summon can be pasted on any conspicuous part of the house or the locality which is bound to be seen by the witness. Fifth, in addition to the above methods, summons can also be sent by a registered post. So, if the person has received a summon, what should he do? If the person has the person has to, if the person has received the summon, then he will have to go to the court on the uh, prescribed particular date and time. But if the person could not go to the court due to any reason, that is, if the person has some genuine valid reason, then he can write back to the court and send the day, that is a new date. Sorry, he can write back to the court and ask them to change the day. So the court can give them a new date in both criminal and civil cases. But without any reason, if the person abstains from the court, if the person abstains from the court, in that is, if the person does not go to the court on the expected date in a civil case, then the person is given a warrant along with a fine for 500 rupees. If he does not go or abstains from going to a criminal court, then he can be given bailable or non-bailable warrant plus a fine of rupees 1000 or 6 months imprisonment is given. This is according to the section 174 IPC. If in any case, if a person receives two summons from two different courts for attendance on the same day, that is, in such cases, he should attend the criminal court first, more importantly than the civil court. Second, he should attend the higher court more importantly than the lower court. If the types of cases and type of court are of same priority, then the witness has to attend the court by the summon which has received first. If he has received court 1 summon first, then he should attend the court 1 on that day, and he should request the court authorities by writing a letter to give him another day for attending the court.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about